Hello everyone. As you can tell by the title, I will be starting a new series where I'll try to explain every country's modern flag. This would replace BNE because BNE would take ages to finish off. But I'll probably summarize BNE with some long form videos soon. But for the time being, I'm going to focus on explaining country flags because that's just easier to do and it doesn't require 100 episodes or something like that. Anyways, the first country I'll be doing is Denmark. It's a bit fitting as it's the oldest country flag in the world. Denmark's flag, otherwise known as VAT, I'm not pronouncing that, was the first used in 1370 and was officially adopted in 1625. However, legend says that it fell out the sky during the Battle of this place in Estonia in 1219. To be honest, the white cross on a red background, or an argent cross on a gauge field of archaeology nerds, probably originated from some place in the Holy Roman Empire, as it was also a common crusader symbol used there. Nowadays, red stands for courage and strength, and the white cross stands for Christianity. Next is Sweden, who basically copied their cross and changed the colours to those on their coat of arms, where yellow shows generosity and blue shows loyalty and justice. It was first adopted in the 16th century, but the modern version became official in 1906 after the United Kingdoms dissolved. Note how I said United Kingdoms. This was a union with Norway. Next up is Norway. Norway was ruled by Denmark and Sweden for most of its history. At independence in 1906, Norway decided to use Denmark's flag with a smaller blue cross to commemorate Sweden. However, this flag was first implemented in 1821. Other theories include that the flag was designed to imitate that of three countries like France, the UK, or the USA. Further northwest we find Iceland. Despite the similarities to Norway, their flag designs are almost completely unrelated. When Iceland was a Danish colony, an unofficial flag was adapted, using a white cross to symbolize Christianity and ice, with a blue background to symbolize water. This flag was called this abomination of a name, which translates to the white blue. However, at independence in 1918, a red cross was added to represent the fire and heat of the country's volcanoes and geysers. The last Nordic country today is Finland. Finland has existed as an entity for centuries when Uralic tribes migrated there. However, due to constant Swedish and Russian rule, the Finns have been integrated into the region, and thus the Nordic cross appears on their flag. The white symbolizes snow, with the blue standing for the sky and water. However, the flag for government affairs contains the Finnish coat of arms, where a crowned golden lion tramples a Russian sword on a red shield. And those are the flags of Northern Europe. Here's a map of all the countries I've done so far. And stay tuned, because in a few weeks' time, I'll be doing Western Europe.